Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set and select the type of the pastel on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the toolbar on the left side on the screen and tap to the pencil icon under the pen. Click to the pastel option and here you can find charcoal, crayon, pastel and chalk. Choose one and you can adjust their opacity and size. If you want to change the color, tap to the circle icon and select the color. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.